we are going to check out the higher time frames. Okay, I'm on the daily time frame, and the price of gold on the daily time frame is still bullish. Okay, we have a high around here. We got broken around here for us to have a higher high somewhere around here. For us to have a higher high somewhere around here. Okay, this particular high becomes a high. This is a higher high. Okay, we have a low around here, low around here, and then we have a higher low. So whenever we have higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, that's a bullish trend. Okay, that's a bullish trend. If there's going to be a low, I expect it to come to test the initial resistance. I expect the initial resistance to become a support for us to now have another higher high. Okay, that's the daily time frame on the price of gold, still looking bullish. All right, so let's go straight to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, still bullish, still have a bullish structure. These are our low, these are low, this is the high, okay, and this a higher low, higher high, okay, this higher low, higher high. Okay, let's call this part a low, lower low. Okay, because this low is lower than this low. All right, now let's call this a higher high. This high, this particular high around here is higher than this high. Okay, this high is higher than this high. Okay, this high is very high, is higher than this high. So we keep having higher high, higher high, much more higher high, much more higher high. Okay, we have a low here. This is a higher low. This low is, this particular low is higher than this low. So we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So that's a bullish structure on, is a bullish structure on the 4-hour time frame. But let's look at what happened yesterday after the US inflation report. You can see price going up, okay, and then the bulls took price to that level. The bulls, the buyers, took price to the 2047 level, and the sellers came in to drive price back lower than before. Okay, we can see the bulls also trying to push price back up, and you can see the buyers trying to push price down. So the scenario that is playing out on the screen around here is this is a tweezer top, which is a retracement or reversal pattern. Okay, so I'm suspecting this is our left shoulder, this is our head, okay, and price is forming the right shoulder. So we might be having head and shoulder pattern on the 4-hour time frame. Of course, if this drops down to this point, it drops down to that point, we might have our neckline. Okay, it drops to this point, our neckline might be somewhere around here. This might be taken as our neckline for price to come down, retest, and then drop to this lower level around here. That I'm talking about the 1999 level. Okay, that's if this head and shoulder pattern plays out. But you know, this forex anything can happen. Price could just go back to this initial US CPI area, inflation top area, before heading to the top of the chart. Okay, we'll get to this point, retrace a bit, and then break that point. Resistance becomes support. Okay, which is, and then go higher. Okay, we might have this particular scenario, but that starts on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame still playing out. Need to wait for it to play out fully for us to know the direction of price. But for now, on the 4-hour time frame, we have this trend line, and we have this trend line. Okay, so these two trend lines should guide us on where it will break out. If price breaks to this side, it will go down. If it breaks above this, okay, it should go up. So if it's gonna go down, if it breaks the trend lines and it's gonna go down, I will be looking at this area as our support area. If it goes up, we'll be looking at this area as our resistance area. But for now, price is ranging. The range continues. Okay, the range continues. All right, that's that for the 4-hour time frame. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. What do we have on the 1-hour time frame? On the 1-hour time frame, we can see price trying to give us head and shoulder, but this is not confirmed yet. It's not confirmed yet, but this trend line is respected. It's respected. It's respected. That's another trend line here. Okay, and we have another one here. This is a 4-hour time frame. It's trying to give us head and shoulder, but it's not really defined yet. But who's in charge? I'll say the bulls are still in charge. Look at let's take this as the halfway of price. Let's take this as halfway of the price on the screen. Okay, the bulls are still in charge. If you actually zoom out, look at price got to this section on the upper part of the entire screen, and price still trying to range around there, so we might see price go up subsequently. But that's that for the 1-hour time frame. Let's look at a further look at the 1-hour time frame. Shows price, the bulls took price to this point, and the bears are trying to retrace. But look at bulls here, bulls here, bulls here. Now still the bulls, they're still back despite just this one impulsive move. The bulls are still back. And look at the current 1-hour candle, still having like a pushback to the top side. So let's wait and see how it plays out on the 1-hour time frame. Okay, on the 30 minutes time frame, we can see a reversal. This is reversal. Okay, this is reversal, and this is retracement. This is retracement. Okay, and this is also a retracement of retracement. Okay, so we continue to monitor price. Okay, that's 30 minutes time frame. Not much on the 30 minutes time frame. This is a lower low. This is a lower low around here. Lower high. It's a lower high. Okay, still have a lower high. Are we going to have another lower low? Okay, if we are going to have another lower low, this structure here must be broken first. Structure here must be broken first for us to have another lower low. Okay, but for now we have lower high. Is it going to give us higher high? This is a lower high, higher high, then higher. No, beg your pardon. This is a lower. This is the high. Okay, this is our low. Okay, for now we have a lower high around here. I'm going to have higher low around here. We have higher low around here. for us to now have higher high, and that means we'll be having a double bottom, first bottom, second bottom, and price will go up, okay, and establish higher high somewhere here, okay, because this high, if the price gets to this point, this high will be higher than this high, and that's the development of a bullish structure. But that's just the forecast. Price could just go down. Okay, that's for the 30 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, you can see price trying to give us head and shoulder pattern on the 15 minutes time frame. This is our left shoulder. This is our head. This is the head. Okay, and this can be taken as the right shoulder. Okay. What about the neckline? It's the neckline. It's the neckline, okay, which has been broken. So price might drop after a retest of that neckline area. Price might drop to this point. But let's see what happens. It might drop, it might not. But for now, it's still ranging. As it's ranging, okay. Now, the 5 minutes is giving us a clearer picture. 5 minutes telling us that the bears are in charge. That you should look for scalp sell. You should scalp sell until this particular part is broken. And if it is broken, we have a resistance area somewhere here, our other block on the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we also have another resistance somewhere here. Okay, and we have another other block somewhere here. Okay, so if price gonna go up, it needs to break this level, and then get to this level if it's gonna go up. Okay, but if it's gonna drop, we have price gonna drop. We have this this low. Okay, we have that low to contend with. We have another low here, okay, to contend with. Then we have this particular other block. We have another one here. Price gonna drop. Okay, so that's that for the 5 minutes time frame. But we need this particular trend line to be broken. Price needs to close above it, test it. Price needs to close above this trend line and retest the trend line, and then continue up for us to consider buying. Okay, but for now, the current trend is bearish on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's look at the 1 minute time frame. Okay, we can see an inverted head and shoulder on the 1 minute time frame. Inverted head and shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. This is the right shoulder. And our trend, the neckline. The neckline. Okay. So, but it can fail, it can work. So if it's gonna work, this should go up, retest, okay, the neckline, and go back up. That's the 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is a descent on the 1 minute time frame, telling you to sell. Okay, but we have a high here, we have a higher high here, we have a high around here. There's a high, okay, and we have the break of that high happening around here. Okay, so possible retracement or reversal to the top side on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, but for now, the actual trend on the 1 minute time frame is bearish. Okay, so bearish in the sense that price continues to form lower low. This is a low, Okay, on the 1 minute, this is lower high and this is a lower low. Okay, it's a lower high. Okay, respecting this trend line on the 1 minute time frame. This is lower low, this is lower high. Okay, this is lower low. All right, now we're having a lower high. The initial inverted head and shoulder pattern has been invalidated, so we are currently having a lower high for us to have a lower low. Okay, look at the trend line is still respected, so look for selling opportunities. You could have sold around here. Okay, if you sold around here, that made 5 pips. Okay, you can as well sell at the break of structure. This is a low. A break of this low, you can stop sell for 5 minutes, 10 for 5 pips, 10 pips, 20 pips. Okay, but for now it's still selling markets. Okay, look for selling opportunities. So that's that for this particular video. If you like what you just saw, why don't you click the like button, click the subscribe button if you are yet to subscribe to our channel. Okay, click the bell button below the video for notification, and drop comment, ask question. We'll try as much as possible to respond to your question. You can visit our website www.binfxtrader.com to learn more on how to trade forex, gold. You can also visit another website of ours, fxfables.com, to learn more on how to trade. Till I come your way tomorrow, it's bye for now.